Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Quest Tech. Today's video is all about calligraphy tools. So let's get started. In the last video we have seen what is meant by calligraphy, and today we will look what tools are required to write calligraphy and what are the pens. The first section is dip pen. This type of pen are used for italics, Roman calligraphy and for black letters. Next comes ink pens. These two are used for Roman, italics, basic calligraphy, and for writing Old English font. The next set includes brush pen. These are used for modern calligraphy and various designs. Here we can use watercolor brush too for writing modern calligraphy. So this was all about the calligraphy tool. Hope you have liked this video. If yes, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.